everybody, I'm Nikki T, and... Oh. I'm alone. Well, that's unusual. But in all seriousness, hey guys, welcome back to the channel after a few months of random videos. Yeah. So, as you guys may notice, Lee is not here, and there's several reasons for that. Basically, I saw that we still have over 4,000 subscribers, and I'm like, hey, can't let that go to waste. So I decided, hey, I'm going to revive the channel. The thing is, Lee can't be on because she's working 7 days a week because her job just hates everybody, apparently. Like, the bosses of her job are just terrible. But anyway, so yeah, she can't really record with me. But I do plan in the future of getting other people to record with me, and this channel is basically just going to become a reaction video channel, and, well yeah, basically I'm just going to have random guests each time, but for now, it's just me, myself, and I, well, except if you count Toru, who's just laying off screen, but yeah, anyway, enough with that. You guys don't really want to hear me talk after all this time. You want to see me react to some legendary clean vines to watch in class. So yeah, let's see.
I think I found my berries. Not my berries. Oh my
Well,
God,
I mean, grapes are technically
found
berries.
my berries. I'm just kidding.
What? Who comes up with this stuff?
God.
Like,
I still
like
haven't
just
found my berries.
how do you think of this? How do people think of it? Oh, I love this one. This is like one of my favorite vines. Rock on, dude! Rock on! But like, I want to know why he's just doing that. Oh, alright then. Rockin' out. Oh yeah, I've seen this before. That's just so funny. Just moving their heads. Like, how do you even do that?
She's such a snake.
I like They're working it. Oh no, no, no! Ah. Oh, gee. This is the only thing I like about sports. I don't like the fun. Ooh, nice one. Naruto. I'm actually rewatching Naruto right now, so that's great. Oh, that poor kitty. I like the chicken. I like chickens. Chickens are great. I got so many chickens. I got
Johnny has
Pluto.
19 bottles of dish soap, and he gets Gina. Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps? Mind your business, David!
I've seen so many persons do that. Oh, that person's having fun. You would think they'd get more stairs. Aww, poor kid.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Like, does she know the people who's recording her? Because that just... It's got... Oops. I didn't see what the sign said. What did the sign say? Oh no, you see?
We want answers!
We want answers! Oh jeez. Oh no! Straight. That gives me flashbacks.
Is it real?
Is it real?
Do what I love without college. I don't need a degree to be a clothing hanger.
Well, that is true.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late for school. Bruh, chill. I don't know why you're in a big time rush.
I don't get it.
I'll kill you. Not even.
It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they're sorry. Riders up like a hurry and pull up in this Ferrari.
Oh my God.
I don't really get
Girl,
that.
come see this. They got a ramen noodle exhibit. You know that's your favorite. Be careful,
that
children.
is-
That's a lot of sodium.
I like that.
Hurricane Katrina! More like Hurricane Tortilla.
Well, when life gives you lemons.
I love that puns.
It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
Oh, shit. You did
It
that.
is the context in which words are spoken that give them the power or meaning. I love you, dog!
Oh, poor dog. Oh, I love coordinated dances like that. That is just so cool.
I fell asleep while I was waiting on you to make me a sandwich.
Go back to sleep and starve.
You either buckle down and do your work, or you'll end up at McDonald's.
We going to McDonald's if I don't do my work? No.
It's funny because I work at McDonald's. Oh, that's not funny.
Girl, guess what? La face 5 years. Sapa gives you all your daily nutrients, like 0 grams of trans fat, and oh my god, cholesterol.
Oh, it's such a cute doggy. That's adorable. Oh,
Hi, my name is
that's a
Eminem. Your
perfect
girl
scene.
wanted Eminem, so I gave her an Eminem.
Oh my god! This for the A.
Road work ahead.
I sure.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
What? What's that? Oh no! I know. That reminds me. That brings me back to the past.
You're disrespecting a future U.S. Army soldier.
If your name is Junior and you're really handsome, come on, raise your hand.
Oh, it's a snake. I like the snake. Aww. Adorable.
My birthday to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift.
Happy birthday.
Oh no. No.
I think I know more about American football than you do.
You'll never get to any American girl.
Stir.
I have to restart my potatoes.
Aww.
Say, who want lasagna? Who want
Oh.
avocado?
Aw, you like the avocado.
Why you
Aw.
mad? Why you sad? When you can be glad.
What are you?
I'm a chicken nugget.
I'm sick of chicken nuggets.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Don't cross me. Shout out to Jesus.
Ah, Bo Burnham.
I need a rhyme for Jesus.
When I leave, you want to keep doing this. But then when I come around, you don't want to post up.
My favorite Screamo band is probably Big Time Rush.
He's just like, what? I love this one.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do I look like your dad? Okay.
Hey, Dad, I got a question for you.
What are those?
And he's sweating like he's doing something. Hold up. And say it again. Say it to my face.
You can't go. No.
Oh, that's adorable. What? Oh my god! It's like the dog.
Del Taco. They got a new thing called Free Shavakadu.
Oh, the cat! That's beautiful.
Get out.
Oh no!
With me.
Aw, butterfly.
You hit me? I'm literally the fastest hedgehog on a.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode. Look at this graph.
I've seen this before. He just looks so dumb.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh my god. I love whoever did that.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Some of these I've seen before. That's a repeat. I've seen them. Like, that's been...
I should have left you on that street corner where you were standing. But you didn't.
Oh, that's so cute, doggy! Oh no, kill it. Kill it. No.
Though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
I am beautiful.
Why?
Good to have self-confidence, unlike me.
Why?
Oh, jeez. Takes out all the
I'm John Cena.
Oh my god, that's talent. That is talent.
Oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Graham, why are all these freaking cookies on the floor?
Phil, can you help me?
Baby can't stay, baby, it's cold outside. I've got to go away, baby.
I'm so bored. I wish Ryan was here.
I don't like that.
Hey guys.
Must be a normal field trip with a friend? No way!
I remember that. I love the Magic School Bus.
Ryan!
Is that a dog in a car? Hey! Where'd you learn to drive?
Sometimes the world looks
Same. Mood. That is a mood.
Well, if it isn't Captain America. But it is me. No, it's an expression. Your Nazi tricks won't work on me.
I want to see my little boy.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy.
Country boy,
Nice jams.
I love you.
Probably going to get copyright for all this, but oh well.
Hey, can you throw me another croissant?
Oh jeez. Oh, that's cool. Maybe I should convince my friend to do that. And that's all. Not a big thing. Well, now you guys can see what kind of videos I watch. Armored Skeptic, Jane Animations, Mr. Beast, r/Entire Parents by Boise here. Yeah, I watch a lot of weird videos. But yeah, those were some fun ones. I wouldn't necessarily say they were legendary, some of those, but yeah. And they did have that repeat one. That was weird. Yeah, but yeah, so there's a React channel now. Yay. Yeah, probably not as good as when he is here. Reaction videos are always funny when there's two people. Oh well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the little bell, because now you gotta hit the bell, or else you don't see our videos. Well, now that we're actually making videos again, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day or night. Nikki out.